guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into some more products for making money online in this upcoming holidays. Not just in this upcoming holidays, it could be next future upcoming holidays as well. Many upcoming holidays that will be coming in 2022, 2023 and so on and so forth. But today we will going to focusing on some more product ideas for these upcoming holidays, because I've already made a bunch of videos talking about the holiday product ideas and different tips and tricks. I'm going to leave the complete playlist of that in the card section above. You can check it out if you haven't checked it so far. Today I'm going to be covering up some another amazing products that is really important if you're incorporating in your shop right now to make them more sales. So let's dive in with today's video. Before we go, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. Simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out the freebie section. It contains a full commercial license, so use it. Also guys, we are soon going to start with exclusive email newsletter which will going to deliver you each and every week important ways to make money online as an artist, as a creative person, and it will going to cover all those content that I haven't been sharing in these online videos. So make sure you subscribe to that email newsletter. The link is in the description box below. Right now it's on wait list. We will going to be sending soon the emails when it's live and it's one. So let's dive into the Christmas product videos, because Christmas is an amazing time of the year where we have a lot of the funs with the Christmas things and all. But why not make more sales by uploading the products or by uploading the designs that are related to Christmas on these products? So today's video is amazing because I'm going to be covering few of the products that are quite underrated and not many people ever think about actually optimizing those products. It's really important for me to talk about these underrated products and how you can make more money. So the first product that I have for you is Mousepad, and the Redbubble recently launched this new product on their marketplace. Not many people are utilizing it. If you just go over to the Mousepad and desk mats on the Redbubble in the office and stationery section, you're gonna see around 8,000 plus search results. That's all. It's not the millions of search results, it's not the thousands of search results, it's just the 8,000. That's all. The competition is very less because this is the new product Redbubble has announced recently, and not many people have optimized the design for this particular product. So if you are the pioneer in this particular product, you could make more sales. Go back to your Redbubble shop, optimize your design for this particular product, switch it on if it is switched off for your product, and optimize this product on for your design, because not many people are utilizing it. If you are utilizing it right now, you could be the pioneer, you could make the more sales, and once your designs established, kind of like making the multiple sales, then it would be up in the search engine of the Redbubble and you could be making more sales. And this is the product that many people actually didn't even think of while preparing their shops for the holidays, because naturally at this time of the year all of the products sell amazingly well. At this time of the year it just double or triple in their income, in their earnings. So why are you leaving the mouse pads? Because these could be an amazing gift ideas for the people who are in the business, laptop and all those kind of stuff. They would be needing a mouse pad, and this could be an amazing product idea. It could be an amazing gift for such kind of people. It could be in the business, it could be in the family member, whatever kind of designs you're uploading, which optimizes specifically for the Redbubble right now, because this is the new product and only 8,000 search results are there guys. So this is the time to actually help on to this product and make the sales, because you would be the pioneer if you are doing it, because this is only the 8,000 search results are there. The second product idea that I have for you that often people leave on the back burner is the throw blanket. Blanket sells amazingly well, especially when the winters are there, and Christmas comes in the season when the winter is there. Some parts of the world would be having the snow. Other parts of the world may not be having that snow, but still the winter season comes in the December, in the November, in the January, and people are looking to buy throw blankets or simply a blankets for their home. And you could make a simple amazing pattern around the Christmas for these throw blankets that people could actually purchase that. It could be an amazing gift idea. And also guys, since it's a high ticket product, so you could make more profit from this product. And also this product sells amazingly well in the winter season. Is kind of like more of a seasonal product, because blankets people usually buy in the winter season. Some of, like, I think most of the parts of the world are having the winter season in the December, except the Brazil, where it would be having a summer season in the Christmas. So some parts of the world it would be different, but most of them would be having their Christmas, would be having a winter and snow and all, so they would be going with the throw blankets. Another product that I have for you is kind of like a hoodies, jackets or sweatshirts. This is the time, because it's a Christmas, people would be prepping their shops and they would be purchasing more of the products that are related to the winter. And obviously winter is harsh in many of the countries. They would be having the snow, so they would be needing sweatshirts, jackets or hoodies for the winters. It could be an amazing Christmas gift idea as well, because they could send the gift to their loved ones as a sweatshirts, as a hoodie, as a jacket. So guys, you could prep your shop for the specific particular product, and not many people utilize it because people focus on the sticker, the t-shirts, the mask and such kind of product. The people only focuses on, they don't focuses on every product. So this is an amazing product idea, especially for the winter. It's kind of like a seasonal, but you could actually hop on and could expect to make the more sales. Another product that I have for you is the duvet covers. Now people think that duvet covers actually sells. Yes, they do sell. And if you actually sell a single duvet cover, it's a high ticket product, you could make more sales. You could make more profit per product you sold. So duvet cover sells well, and also they were going to be selling well in the time of the winters, at the time of the Christmas when it's the snow. People would be buying the products that are related to the winter as well, and they would be sending the gift as well, or maybe for their own home. Even if they are purchasing a single duvet cover, you still make a good profit because it's a high ticket or product, and you can increase your profit and can make the more sales. Another product idea that I have for you is Jigsaw Puzzles. Puzzles sells amazingly well, especially at the time of the Christmas as well. These were the products that were selling at the time of the COVID lockdown as well, because people would be needing at the home at the puzzles to solve them, to actually have fun, entertainment. And at this time of the Christmas, people would be needing the gifts for sending, especially to the kids, because kids love the puzzles. In fact, adults also love the puzzles. We also love the puzzles to solve them. It's really fun and entertaining. So this could be an amazing product idea, and not many people actually utilize the puzzle. So make sure you utilize your design, optimize it according for this product as well. You could have a pattern, because I think that most of the designs that sell amazingly well are the photographs or patterns or kind of like that covering the entire puzzle. So that could be this product idea. The last product idea I have for this video is the coaster. Coasters are an amazing way to decorate your home, and people do buy the coasters because at this time of the year we are also looking for decorating our home. So why to leave the coaster behind? You could have a Christmas idea, a Christmas design around the coaster, and can make a design, and people could purchase them as gifts. Or so these are some product ideas. Hopefully you find this video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below, guys. Are you looking more for these product videos, especially for the Christmas, especially for the holidays? Do let me know in the comment section below, because this is the last month and we are prepping our shops for the holidays and we don't want to leave anything behind. So do let me know if you want more such video, because I'll be making more in this month itself, because this is the last month and we need to prep it. So hopefully you find it useful. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for joining. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.